If you wake up in the middle of the night, don't fight it. Get out of bed, move your body just a little bit, and just acknowledge that you're awake, and then try to redo the whole pre-bed routine to get back into bed. But sleep hygiene is super important. You need to get an eye mask because even a little bit of light is waking you up in the middle of the night. You need to cut out the high-fat foods and alcohol within hours of bed. I mean, you have to stop eating 3 hours before bed. You have to stop with blue light. And I love to fall asleep in front of the television. You got to stop with blue light an hour before you actually want to go to bed. High fiber, low fat foods, stopping 3 hours before bed. You also have to limit the alcohol because alcohol helps you fall asleep. And this has been shown time and time again. I love a glass of wine with dinner. I love a nightcap. They're fantastic. But what ends up happening is it makes it easy to fall asleep because it's a depressant and you fall asleep. But in metabolizing the alcohol, it wakes you back up a couple hours later. So you have to cut that out before bed. So blue light, the temperature of your room. If you don't want to splurge and air condition your whole house, you can get a cooling pad for your bed so that you're able to get your temperature down. That'll help you stay asleep. Sometimes you get really hot in the middle of the night. I know our air conditioning was out, and during a heat wave here, I had the worst sleep because I kept waking up with sweats because it got too hot in the room. So you have to do all of those things, the light, the noise. Some people really believe in the EMFs. So if you have Wi-Fi, turn your Wi-Fi off, put your cell phone in another room. These are all the sleep hygiene things that will make you more likely to stay asleep.